I'll do it today. Please let me know if you are finished. Just say yes, finished.
Yeah, it is finished.
Fire
Yeah, I finished it too.
Okay. Rest of everyone must have. Okay. So let's go back to yesterday's class. Okay. Now you all know how to create tests, isn't it? Did you practice or not?
No, I didn't practice yesterday.
Shankar, you're being busy? Very busy? Teja, did you practice?
No, I start 11 and then finish early morning.
Job. You start your job at 11. Oh, nighttime workers must be very strong. I think Sangeet also is working in the night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you work, Sangeet? Is it a hotel reservation or something?
Hotel reservations.
Okay. Hotel bookings. Which place are you based at?
Manchester.
Manchester. Okay. Shankar, you are from London itself, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, never mind. Whenever you find time, weekends or day offs, keep practicing, or else you will finish the course, then you will end up with nothing. Keep practicing. If you want time, let me know. I'll skip the classes for some days. Okay, let us create one more JUnit test case. This time what we'll do is we'll take it a bit further. We'll try and log in into Gumtree page. Okay, we'll try and log in into Gumtree page, but we'll use some other sources today. First we'll take a simple test. We'll take a test for BBC again. BBC test 3. Okay, so what do I need to do? Basic things. What is step 1? Extends Selenium test case. Okay, fine. And setup method.
Capital U.
Capital U. Right. What's the first thing? URL. http://www dot Gumtree or BBC. Okay, Gumtree.com. Gumtree.com. Okay. And our favorite browser, Star Chrome, which is Firefox. Okay, right. Now you delete this fail not implemented thing and write your test. So what is the first step? Selenium dot open / okay, so this is common from all the other classes, so we'll keep Selenium dot we'll window focus and window focus Selenium dot window maximize. Right. Well, give me a second. I just remembered something. Sorry for that. I keep forgetting things, so I'm making a note. Right. Selenium dot window maximize. Then we'll set the speed. Selenium dot set speed, and we'll make it 3000 milliseconds. Fine. Now we'll write our actual test. So what do we do? So we'll go to Gumtree.com first. So I went into Gumtree.com. What I want to do is I want to click on these cars over here, and I want to go inside it and I want to get the text of this particular thing. I want to print whatever is available here, this particular thing. How do I do that? So I want to click on this. How to write that?
Element find.
Okay. Find element is in WebDriver.
WebDriver.
In RC it is selenium dot click, and it will accept one locator, one parameter called locator. We have different kinds of locators. Okay, we have different kinds of locators. So this is called an element. Anything in a page, we call all these as elements. These are all HTML elements. Okay, these are links, these are input boxes, these are buttons, these are images. All these are elements. There are several elements in HTML. For this you need to learn HTML from w3schools.com. How many of you went through this? Learn HTML.
Yeah,
You went through it. Okay, completely or a little bit?
a little bit up to this CSS.
Up to CSS. Go until iframes
Okay.
or go until JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay.
One more thing, Kiran.
Yeah.
What about this HTML5 and all those things?
You don't need to worry about HTML5. It's new technology. If you want to learn, you can learn, but don't worry about it.
Okay.
HTML5 is still HTML itself.
Okay.
Okay, for us, we don't need in-depth knowledge of it. Okay, right.
Okay.
So when you learn that, you know different elements like images, tables, lists, and all those things. Okay, so in our page we have images. Images are all the pictures, and we have links. These are all links, and we have input boxes. This is an input box. Okay, and we have list box or select box. We will have radio buttons and check boxes as well. We'll see all those elements. So first thing, we want to click on it. To click on any element, we need to give the locator of it. Locators can be, what are the different locators we have? We can either locate an element by its name or by its ID or by its XPath or by its CSS in RC. Okay, the most popular one are XPath and ID. Okay, you'll mostly use ID or else you'll go for XPath. Okay, so how to get these locators? Okay, for that we installed Firebug. Click on Firebug. Okay, click on Firebug. Now what we do is, what do we want to click on? This cars, isn't it? Make sure you select HTML in it. Take the small rectangle kind of thing and click on this cars. So it is showing us ahref. Somebody got disconnected. Everybody got disconnected?
It's mine, Kiran.
No, everyone.
Yeah, I got bad access.
Yeah.
Got bad.
Right. So what I did is, I took this rectangle and clicked on this cars. Then it says it is ahref is equal to some Gumtree cars, London cars. What is that ahref? Teja, what is ahref stands for? What is that ahref thing?
Ahref is for this headings.
No, headings is H1. A stands for anchor. Anchor is nothing but a link. Okay, these are all links. So it starts with A and ends with /A. So when you go to your HTML page, do you have something about links, HTML links? So do you see ahref over here?
Yeah.
And link test /A. So you all try and create web pages. How to create a web page? It's very easy. Shall we create one quickly? Shall we write HTML?
We need to go with Notepad.
Okay, let us go new notepad, not like this. Let me open notepad. Okay, I'll start writing a HTML. In HTML, everything is in tags. So the real development they don't do using notepad, but we'll do today. So HTML, whenever I open a tag, I should close that tag /HTML. Okay, inside it
Body.
I will have head,
Okay.
head or header, I forgot,
Head.
head and /head. Two sections, header and body. Okay, and I'll close body.
Slash.
Okay, in header section usually you will have something called as title, title, title. Write whatever you want, /title. In body section you will have all the other different tags, like h1 is header 1, hello class, and we should close h1. After that I want to write a paragraph, so I'll write p and write this is a paragraph. And I'll close it /p. After that I may have header 2, or I'll have a link. So how to have a link? A href is equal to http colon /
It will be in the invited
in quotes.
quotes. Yeah.
Ahref is equal to http gumtree www.gumtree.com. Okay, and close the quotes. Okay, and now write the text. I'll write Gumtree or something. Okay, and say /a. So we did different things. We have a heading, we have a paragraph, we have a link as well. We'll save this as I'm selecting desktop. I'll write as test.html. Put this in inverted commas. Put this in strings so that it won't save as txt. Make sure you select all files so that it will save it as HTML, not txt file. Okay, fantastic. Now you can see on your desktop a test.html file is created. When you open it, it opens in your browser. So hello class is header 1, and this is a paragraph, and title you will see as hello class, whatever we wrote, and this Gumtree is a link, but it's not working. Probably we have to go inside it and see what mistake we did. Okay.
Actually, we need to give that link in the invited commas.
Okay, double quotes, the URL in
Yeah.
the double quotes. So how to edit that? Go to the notepad. So say open with, or open notepad again, open it. Now what's the mistake? Remove the quotes over here. I forgot the syntax because it's very long time I wrote HTML programs. Okay, so this is a link now. File, save it, go to your page. This is your page, isn't it? Refresh it, right click, reload. Now you see Gumtree as a link. When you click on it, it goes to Gumtree site. You can create your own web pages. It's very easy. Did you see? It's going to Gumtree page. So this cars is also similar link like that, but this one does not have a name or ID to it, isn't it? It does not have a name or ID to it. That's why we can go for XPath. How to get XPath of it? XPath is like address of it. How to get XPath? So instead of clicking on HTML, click on fire path over here. Select this rectangle, go to the element which you are looking for, click on it. you got the XPath over here. Copy this XPath, except the dot which is there initially. Except the dot, copy the complete XPath. Go to your Eclipse program. Selenium.click and give this XPath in quotes. Okay, and semicolon. That's it. Okay, so we'll run this and see whether this is working or not. And we'll also give like print title or something so that we know it's running. Selenium dot. How to print the title? Selenium dot.
Get title.
Yeah. Okay. Right click. Run as JUnit test. Okay, it printed cars in United Kingdom, so it's working. So what is the title now? Now the title is Gumtree London. Okay, when it clicked the link, the page changed, so it became cars in London or cars in United Kingdom. So it's printing that. So what we can do is we can print the same statement before clicking. We can print the same thing before clicking. Now you will get two titles. Run as JUnit test. Gumtree.com. Maximized. So it should click on cars. Did it click on cars? Yeah, clicked on cars. So first it printed Gumtree.com as the title. Afterwards it printed cars in United Kingdom as the title. So you know it's working. Okay. So we covered XPath. Any doubt how to deal with XPath? Just take this, click on any element you want, and the XPath will be given here. Just copy the XPath except for the dot. Initially you have at the beginning you will have a dot, except dot copy the other stuff. I will give you exactly 5 minutes. Try until here, the very easy thing, and let me know whether you are getting or whether you are having any problem or not. The other locators are very simple. We don't deal with CSS, forget CSS, we'll deal with ID and name. Okay, once you do this successfully, I will show you something else and I'll give you another example to do. Is it okay? Can you do in 5 minutes time now?
Yes.
Yes, please do it.
Yes.
Please do it. Or
Yeah.
okay.
For a Selenium server, I am unable to connect it.
Okay, you need to ask me like if you have problems like that.
I'm
Trying.
looking the documents to how to start the server.
Okay. Okay, if you don't get it in another 2 or 3 minutes, ask me. How about you, Shankar? Shankar got disconnected. Kondal Reddy?
Yeah, I'm still watching.
Still watching. Now I want you to write the program, not to watch it.
No, I'm still watching.
Working, okay. Rajesh?
Kiran, I got a problem with the Selenium. When I'm typing the selenium.open, it's coming up some errors. Just looking
Okay,
at
then
it.
you did not attach your libraries to your project.
I just checked that it looks like they're attached already.
Okay.
But
So
still, that's what I'm checking.
So if you have errors and problems, please give me your team, your IDs, so that I will show you how to solve. The main exercise of letting you all do it right now here is, I know you are not practicing and it's not going further. So I want to see, like, you will feel the pain now, heat now, what errors you will get and all. So if I'm not there, it will be very hard for you to solve these problems initially. Okay, so if you feel you're stuck, okay, Rajesh already gave me ID, so we'll check his problem. Troubleshooting. So Rajesh is working on Mac, so you'll see different interface. Okay, I think I need to disconnect you, Rajesh. 306.
Okay. Okay.
Stay tuned. Right. You extended it as test case. It's not test case, isn't it? What is it?
Selenium is test case.
Yes.
When I'm writing that one,
Yeah.
it's coming up as an error. So that's why I just keep as a test case. Okay, let me see that.
No, don't. Control Z. Command Z. Oops. Yeah. So type SEL, capital SEL, control space. I think control SELE, control space. Type control space in your system.
Yeah.
Yeah. Selectable channel Java. No. Delete this JUnit test case. Okay. So which one is your project? Like,
Package 4.
where is your package actually? So you did it in default package. You did not create a package. That's fine. Not a problem. So right click properties. Java build path library. You did not attach any libraries, isn't it?
No, I'm not. No, it's in this package 4.
It's in package 4.
Yeah.
Gmail.java. Okay. Right click properties. Okay. So it says it shows red mark for all of this. So none of these are available actually, isn't it?
Okay.
It should not show red mark. Delete these all. These 4. Say add external jars. You have it in desktop, isn't it?
Yes.
Desktop testing folder. Selenium. And all these files.
Okay, I'll add.
I'll add it, don't worry. And say open. Now they are fresh looking. Say okay. Now if you type SCLE and control space. Okay. Say save it. Now type SEL control space please. Yeah. Now LENE Selenium test case. Okay, and set up this U is capital. I told you have to concentrate on. And there is one more parameter over here. What is that? Browser.
Explorer.
Star Chrome.
Star Firefox or Star Chrome. Now there are no errors at all. You are seeing some more errors here, but I don't know why you are seeing this, because you did not type it properly. Window focus, window maximize. After window maximize, you gave something else. Do not type the whole thing. See, set speed also you got wrong. When you type dot, you will get it. Then you can give.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, now it should open Gmail screen for you, at least. Right click, run as JUnit test. Your server is not started. You have to start the server. How do you start the server?
Is it terminal?
Terminal, yes. Go to terminal, navigate to that folder and start it.
Okay.
Okay, shall I show it or can you do it?
I'll try.
Try it. Try it in front of me. Okay, CD desktop. CD space capital D E and tab. Yeah, enter. Now ls. Now what you have? Testing folder. Testing folder do you have?
Yes, I know that.
CD capital T and yeah, enter. Now ls. Selenium, I guess, right?
Selenium.
Yeah, go to Selenium, capital S E and tab. Yeah, enter. Now you can start the server. Java minus jar, Java space minus jar space SEL tab yes again tab, enter. Your server is being started. Very well. Now let me right click and run this program. Go to your Eclipse, right click and run as JUnit test. Fantastic. It opened browser and it's navigating for Gmail, but it did not get it because there's a plus symbol in front of it. So go to your Eclipse. In your Eclipse you gave space after http:// remove that space. Okay, run it again now. Fantastic, you got the Gmail page. Okay, it's working.
Okay. Show practice.
Okay, anybody stuck anywhere?
No. Thank you.
That's it. Okay, everybody, practice by tomorrow. Any doubts will clear tomorrow. If anybody is having doubt right now, if you want help, let me know. Teja, is it okay? You can deal with it or shall I help you?
Can I give my email?
Yes, please. Do not hesitate. Please give it as soon as possible.